Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing back to school 5 different outfits. So for this first one, it was actually inspired by an outfit that Miley Cyrus wore in like 2012.
Stand up like a soldier, baby.
By the way, this is also a collab with Hope. You guys, most of you know her, so go check her video out.
Chasing our crazy dreams, hoping that the bridge won't.
So for this first outfit, I just paired a white top with some white shorts, some white high top Converse, and a red flannel around my waist for a pop of color.
Give me the ting, I made me rock, 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 rock. Give me the ting, I made me rockin' at the dance. Give me the ting, I made me rockin' at the dance.
This next outfit is definitely for someone that would want to make a statement going back to school. If this is too much or too risky for you, you can convert the dress into a top and wear some flats.
Feel it in the sunrise, even in the nighttime. It's hard to adjust now.
So for this next outfit, I just paired a black tank with some black distressed shorts, some black Converse, and this green emerald jacket that I'm obsessed with.
Hard to adjust now, cause you ain't around. Yeah. When will I see you, see you, see you again?
Alright, so for this next outfit, I just paired a dark flannel and some looser skinny jeans with single rips in the knees, and this outfit is perfect because if you get cold, you can put the flannel around your waist, or if it's too hot, you can obviously wear it, and I just wore some white sneakers with this, and I think that it is super cute. For this last outfit, this is one of my faves. I love the whole white on white trend, so I paired a white top with some white ripped skinny jeans and some white sneakers, and then just threw on a denim jacket.
Don't you know that it's always the same from Australia around to LA?
Alright you guys, so that was the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you stayed till this far, then you should definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Combination. Oh my god. Behind the scenes, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that it? Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Can we see them? Can we see those people?